Hi everyone. I am in my workshop in London today and I've met some amazing people. They're all here to learn some good stuff, how to be mega successful and make millions. One by one, we're going to talk to them like what they have learned today and what is their dream life, and after today how they're gonna go about achieving their life's biggest goals.
Thank you so much, Shakeel. I was here last week, and during last week I networked, and I'm quite happy coming here because you are giving us loads of learning in terms of just how do we earn the seven figures, and what do I want in life. I would love to get people to really find their true sense of purpose, and also to really get people to really think of giving back to the world. And that's really me. I'm a caring person, and that's really what I'm all about. I want people to learn what they're really good at, and I also want people to really find their true destiny. And I've come up with a hashtag, which I'm the African Wonder Woman.
Thank you, Juliet. Juliet is one amazing person in the law of attraction field. She has so much experience and she is going to be one of the biggest names when it comes to law of attraction coaching. So watch this space.
My name's Kenny Adebajo. I came to Shakeel's seven-figure business ideas meeting 2 weeks ago. I got really inspired by his talk. And from today, I was just really excited from everything I've learned from today. So I think the main thing I learned from today was Shakeel said something about start living the way you want to see, the way you see yourself living in the future when you're successful. You have to start from now. And like at a young age, I'm 19 now. I've got my own business idea. I'm trying to start my own business, and it's just like it's time for me to start. I have to see myself the way I want to be in 7 years, or the way I want to be in 20 years, and I think one business idea, one business plan that I can take from today is just like when Shakeel mentioned going on different platforms, on different online platforms, so that YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, starting my own business Instagram page, my own business Facebook page, so I can grow from there. And it's just like once I start that idea, it's going to be a thing where I've started today, tomorrow I'll build on that, the next day I'll build on that. And while I'm doing all this, I'll be recording my journey. I'll be recording my successful steps. And then, who knows, 10 years from now, who knows where I'll be. Even a week from now, I'll have enough content that I'll be able to sell to people. And it's just one of the many ideas that Shakeel's put into my mind today. I'm very glad, I'm very thankful I'm very grateful to Shakeel for putting them ideas into my mind. And what I'm saying is, obviously, Shakeel said, who knows, 20 years from now is going to introduce us as the people he spoke to, as the successful people he spoke to, and I know I'm just going to be one of them that's going to be successful. I'm going to be on the stage, and I'm going to give like all the accolades to Shakeel because he deserves this. So yeah.
Thank you very much. It doesn't have to be like my marketing video. You can say whatever.
Like, success is a journey, and obviously every journey has a route. And what Shakeel Ahmad Meer has given us is the route to success. So I'm just gonna follow that route, or follow the steps to get to that destination, because obviously success is not really the end point, it's more the path you take to get to that end point. And obviously you've highlighted the key steps we need to take, so I'm gonna take those steps on my journey. So I'm just letting you guys know that. So stick around.
Well, I do have big targets. I hope to be a millionaire in the very near future. And one thing that I've learned from the man himself is to define exactly what you want to do, to have a definite goal of what you want to do, so then you can break it down and then start taking steps towards what you want to do. He's given us so many different methods on how we could do and achieve our goals, but one thing I've really gotten from it is that life can change like that, depending on the knowledge that you have and depending on how you use that knowledge on a day-to-day basis, and taking opportunities and not to overcomplicate things as well, and start off, even if it's not as good, just work on it every day. Rome wasn't built in a day, and then if you continue on that path, one day you will achieve your goals.
Okay, so can you remind us, you set a target for yourself end of the year. What's that target?
7 figures in the next 6 months. That is my target. It's very ambitious, especially for my age, but I believe that if I'm crazy enough to believe it and I put in the work, there's nothing that can stop me.
Yeah. I just wanted to say thanks to Shakeel for tonight. He's organised an event for us tonight for people that want to move on in life and try to learn some techniques. We've got 7-figure success techniques that Shakeel's been helping us with tonight. A lot of stuff to do with social media, and some of the people here in the room, you'll get to hear their stories in a little while. I've got similar nature things as most of us might have. They want to move on in life, and Shakeel's been providing us with some techniques and ideas so that we can do that. I wanted to just thank Shakeel because he's done a great job tonight, so thank you very much.